Hey everyone! Today we're doing a quick guide on how to assign a task to a team member in ClickUp. We'll cover the two main methods, list view and board view. Create a task, mandatory step. Before assigning, you must first create the task. 1. Click button. Click the Add Task button. 2. Name task. Enter a descriptive name for the individual piece of work, e.g., Review Q3 report. 3. Ready status. The new task appears in the list ready for assignment. Next, assigning tasks via list view. The list view method uses the plus icon for a direct assignment. 1. Locate icon. Find the plus with a bolded plus symbol icon located under the assignee field of the task row. 2. Open selector. Click the plus icon to open the user selector. 3. Choose team member. Select a team member, e.g., Pioneer. 4. Verification. The chosen person is immediately displayed as the task's assignee, offering visual feedback. Next, assigning tasks via board view. The board view treats tasks as cards that are edited directly. 1. Add card. Add a new card, which is a new task, directly onto the board, e.g., record videos. 2. Select assignee. Within the card details, click the assignee field and select a user, yourself or another member. 3. Set attributes. Crucially, board view allows you to set the date, which is the due date, and priority level before saving. 4. Save. Click Save to confirm the assignment and set the attributes. The assignee icon appears immediately on the card. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.